Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to deposit money from HSBC to Barclays in 2025. With banking tech evolving fast, transferring funds between banks has never been easier, but it's always good to have a step-by-step guide to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're switching accounts or just sending money to a friend, this process is straightforward and secure. First things first, make sure you have both your HSBC and Barclays accounts set up and accessible via their respective apps or websites. You'll need your login details, and it's a smart idea to have your Barclays account number and sort code handy to speed things up. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your HSBC account. Open the HSBC app on your phone or head to their website on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. It's usually front and center in the dashboard. If it's your first time transferring to Barclays, you might need to add the recipient. Click on Add New Payee and enter the Barclays account details carefully to avoid any errors. Step 2. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check the figure because, in 2025, many banks have real-time confirmation features to prevent mistakes. You'll also see any potential fees up front. HSBC might charge a small fee for external transfers, so keep an eye on that. Barclays could have receiving fees too, depending on your account type. After that, select the transfer method. Options might include instant transfer via faster payments, which is common in the UK and typically takes just a few seconds to a couple of hours. Step 3. Review and confirm. Before you hit that confirm button, verify all the details one last time. In 2025, enhanced security like biometric authentication or two-factor verification will likely be standard, so you'll probably need to approve the transfer with your fingerprint or a code sent to your phone. Once confirmed, the money should be on its way. A quick tip for 2025. Many banks are integrating with open banking APIs, so you might see seamless options like linking accounts directly. Always check for any promotional periods where transfers could be fee-free. And remember, if you're dealing with large amounts, consider the exchange rates if currencies differ, though in the UK, it's usually straightforward. There you have it. That's how you deposit money from HSBC to Barclays in 2025. It's simple, quick, and with a bit of caution, totally hassle-free. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.